Topic number 3: Computer Ethics. Topics outline. The 10 Commandments of Computer Ethics. Provisions of Republic Act 10175, Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Computer Etiquette. Learning outcomes. Comprehend the provisions of the cybercrime. Discuss the current issues concerning cybercrime. Computer ethics. Ethics deals with placing a value on acts according to whether they are good or bad. Every society has its rules about whether certain acts are ethical or not. These rules have been established as a result of consensus in society, and are often written into laws. The 10 Commandments. 1. Thou shalt not use a computer to harm other people. 2. Thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer work. 3. Thou shalt not snoop around in other people's files. 4. Thou shalt not use a computer to steal. 5. Thou shalt not use a computer to bear false witness. 6. Thou shalt not use or copy software for which thou have not paid. 7. Thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization. 8. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output. 9. Thou shalt think about the social consequences of the program you write. 10. Thou shalt use a computer in ways that show consideration and respect. The 10 Commandments of Computer Ethics have been defined by the Computer Ethics Institute. Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Republic Act No. 10175. The Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, Republic Act No. 10175, an act defining cybercrime, providing for the prevention, investigation, suppression and the imposition of penalties therefor, and for other purposes, was signed by President Aquino on the 12th of September 2012. It will take effect 50 days after the completion of its publication in the Official Gazette, or in at least 2 newspapers of general circulation. Open Republic Act. Number 10175. What are considered as cybercrimes? The cybercrime law defines and punishes certain acts, generally classified as offenses against the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of computer data and systems. B. Computer-related offenses, and C. Content-related offenses. What are the offenses against the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of computer data and systems? Illegal access, illegal interception, data interference, system interference, misuse of devices, cybersquatting. What are the computer-related offenses? Computer-related forgery, computer-related fraud, computer-related identity theft. What are the content-related offenses? Cybersex, child pornography, unsolicited commercial communications, libel. What are the other offenses also punished under RA 10175? Aiding or abetting in the commission of cybercrime. Any person who willfully abets or aids in the commission of any of the offenses enumerated in this act shall be held liable. Attempt in the commission of cybercrime. Any person who willfully attempts to commit any of the offenses enumerated in this act shall be held liable. What is the effect of RA 10175 on crimes punished by the Revised Penal Code? A prosecution under RA 10175 shall be without prejudice to any liability for violation of any provision of the Revised Penal Code, as amended, or special laws. All crimes defined and penalized by the Revised Penal Code, as amended, and special laws, if committed by, through and with the use of information and communications technology shall be covered by the relevant provisions of RA 10175. However, the penalty to be imposed shall be 1 degree higher than that provided for by the revised penal code, as amended, and special laws, as the case may be. Distinct categories for people that perform cybercrimes. Hacker is defined as someone who accesses a computer or computer network unlawfully. They often claim that they do this to find leaks in the security of a network. Cracker refers to someone who intentionally accesses a computer or computer network with malice in mind. They access computers with the intention of destroying or stealing information. Both crackers and hackers have advanced network skills. Distinct categories for people that perform cybercrimes. Cyberterrorist is someone who uses a computer network or the internet to destroy computer systems for political reasons. It's similar to a terrorist attack because it requires highly skilled individuals, millions of dollars to implement, and years of planning. Cyber-extortionist is someone who uses email as an offensive force. They usually send a company a threatening email stating that they will release some confidential information, exploit a security leak, or launch an attack that will harm a company's network. They use blackmail to demand a certain amount of money in exchange for not launching an attack. Distinct categories for people that perform cybercrimes. Unethical employee is one who illegally accesses their company's network for numerous reasons. One can be the money they can get from selling top-secret information, or some may be bitter and want revenge. Script kiddie is similar to a cracker, because they might want to do harm, but often lack the technical skills. Script kiddies tend to use pre-written hacking and cracking programs. Corporate spy has extensive computer and networking skills, and is hired to break into a specific computer or computer network to steal, delete data and/or information. Shady companies hire these types of people in a practice known as corporate espionage. They do this to gain an advantage over their competition. What is netiquette, and why is it important? Netiquette means etiquette on the internet, or net. The rules of netiquette may vary significantly across different settings. Many schools use their own netiquette guidelines to provide direction to their students. Failure to follow netiquette rules can have long-term negative effects on your relationships with both instructors and fellow students. Netiquette guidelines. In general, the same rules apply in netiquette as in face-to-face communication. Here are some general netiquette rules for an online education environment. Rule 1. Remember the human. Rule 2. Adhere to the same standards of behavior online that you follow in real life. Rule 3. Know where you are in cyberspace. Rule 4. Respect other people's time and bandwidth. Rule 5. Make yourself look good online. Rule 6. Share expert knowledge. Rule 7. Help keep flame wars under control. Rule 8. Respect other people's privacy. Rule 9. Don't abuse your power. Rule 10. Be forgiving of other people's mistakes.